Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Gemini in Android Studio. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, first thing, if you don't have already update your Android Studio to the latest version, then what you're going to do, open any project in Android Studio, and then you will see here on the right side also some tools. Now, let's find here, you will see these chat icons and it will says agent. So this is basically Gemini. If you click on it, you will see Gemini in Android Studio. What you need to do now is just sign in to Google, and that's pretty much what you need to do. Just sign in. Now here, stay up to date with okay, finish, and just like that, we are now in Gemini. You must be, yes, I am. Then what you are going to do, click next. Okay, next. Uh, Use Gemini feature, recommended. Okay, finish. Oh, sorry, I didn't put apply to all project, but okay. And yeah, just like that, we are able to do now basically using this AI agent. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.